So over here in Microsoft OneNote, you can easily convert handwritten text into typed text. In order to do that, you can go on to the type tool or the lasso tool inside of OneNote. So I'm going to take the type tool first, and I can select the portion which I want to change. So I'm going to select this portion right here. And here you can see an option for ink to text. And once I click that, you can see that hi there and brown has been converted into a regular text. So this might not be the case, the perfect case every time. Sometimes your OneNote might not be able to recognize your handwriting, but most of the time this actually works if your handwriting is feasible. So I'm going to press Ctrl Z right here, and now I'm just going to select the lasso tool and only select the portion I want to convert. For example, only this part right here. Usually it takes the whole group as the reference because everything is in blue, and in the same format it'll take the hi there, the entire text, even if you select this part of the text itself. So I'm just going to convert this into text, and you can see that only that has been converted into the text. If I had to press Ctrl Z, select only the brown and into text, it'll only convert that portion into a text. So that is how you can use handwriting to type text conversion inside of Microsoft OneNote. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.